You've probably seen the news of the latest cryptocurrency making headlines. NFT, non-fungible token. After a simple collage of images was sold for $69 million, the entire world starts paying attention and asking themselves what an NFT is and how they can get on board. Well, if that's you, you're in the right, because in this video, we will share what an NFT is, why people are spending millions of dollars on it. Sit tight, because all that's coming up next. Hello, and welcome to Tech Ed and Beyond. As we announced, we will take a deep look into NFTs, as well as how you can be a part of what's happening. First, let's start with what the basic. What is an NFT, and how does it work? NFT stands for non-fungible token. It's a unique and irreplaceable digital token. And to remove any confusion, let's take a few examples of what is non-fungible. A one-of-a-kind trading card is non-fungible. Why, you may ask? Well, the one-of-a-kind card can be traded for a different one, and you'll get something completely different. It's unique and therefore is non-fungible. Although there might be hundreds of numbered copies of it, but there's only one definitive actual version. A concert ticket is non-fungible, an airplane ticket, etc. The concert ticket and the airplane ticket could cost the same as other tickets, but each represents a specific seat on a specific date. Other tickets have different seat numbers. And for a fungible example, we could say a dollar bill. It is not unique because there are millions of them, and therefore they are fungible. Makes sense? And by now, you're probably asking yourself, since NFTs are digital, how would someone identify which version is the original one? Well, that brings us to the second part. They are tokens. Proof of ownership for each NFT token is stored on the blockchain digital ledger. Most NFTs are part of the Ethereum cryptocurrency and keeps track of who owns what. Each token has its unique metadata and cannot be replicated. An NFT can be any sort of digital product that someone wants to earn. Could be an autographed tweet, a GIF, a meme, a 10-second video, a usual picture, or a moment of appreciation. The most common type of NFT includes 1. Crypto art, which is usually classified as a unique and one-off piece, which exists only in the digital space and has no physical copy. The artwork can be either a painting, drawing, animation, video, or music file. 2. In-game items. That are virtual goods that can be purchased with real money and then used within a video game for various purposes. We should also add in-game items do not give any sort of gameplay advantage. Examples are cosmetic, that allows to change your skin color or hairstyle. Collectibles, they can be used as souvenirs to share with friends, like hats, pins, tokens, etc. Currency, a subset of the collectibles that can be used to make purchases. 3. Virtual land, which is digital representation of physical space. It can be used in video games, simulations, and other digital representations. 4. Music. 5. Crypto collectibles. Crypto collectibles are digital assets that have been solely created and owned by crypto-based protocols. NFTs are absolutely mind-boggling, and by now you're probably asking yourself, why are people spending millions of dollars of those digital assets? Or what is the benefit of owning an NFT? And to answer, there are many reasons why someone could purchase a non-fungible token. Some of them are being the scarcity, the uniqueness, and the history that comes with owning a token that is not like any other. Think of it like owning the Mona Lisa, a piece of art that people are traveling around the world to see and take pictures of. You can also think of it like an investment. It's called flipping. If the token price swings up, it would make them a lot of money. The scarcity and the high demand these days make people willing to pay large amounts of money for them, and over time, it could be worth more. We should also add that NFTs can be bought and used as a profile picture on social media, or anywhere NFT business goes. One of the examples is the Bored Ape Yacht Club, which is a collection of 10,000 ape NFTs, all with different trades. Celebrities like DJ Khaled, Steph Curry, Post Malone, and Jimmy Fallon are among the owners. And as for the price, it varies. The rare ones could cost up to $1 million or more, and the cheapest you can buy one is around $23,000. Yeah, better believe it. Before we get to the exciting part of where you can buy NFTs, we invite you to like this video if you're getting value from it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because we will release a video on how you can make your own NFT. You definitely don't want to miss it. The next million might go straight to you. You never know. And now, let's get to it. Where can you buy NFTs? Digital artwork NFTs are mostly sold on specialized markets, such as OpenSea, the biggest NFT marketplace so far, with an estimate of 250,000 traders every month, or Atomic Hub, Simple Market, eGen, Nifty Gateway, Rarible, and so on. You can also visit places like NBA Top Shot for NBA valuables, or Valuable by Cent to purchase tweets and etc. And to purchase, you'll need a digital wallet to store your digital money. The wallet is essential, as it's the door that lets you access the blockchain ledger. Popular wallets for NFTs including MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Dapper, and MyEtherWallet, etc. Then last but not least is to purchase the type of cryptocurrency that you will need. Most NFTs can be bought using Ethereum, but lately, other cryptocurrencies are starting to develop the capacity for them. And from them, you simply need to do your research to know which artwork you should purchase. I would also recommend to join a community of crypto art lovers and follow crypto artists on social media. And you may think that's silly or not best for the environment, but don't expect the Bored Apes to disappear anytime soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Leave comments to let us know what you think or what subject you want us to explain next. Also, like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out our next video about blockchain. Thanks for your time and have a good one.